AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows update error, and the error code is 8024A112. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the Windows update error code 8024A112, then I will show you how to fix this. Guys, before going to run any troubleshoot, first restart your PC and check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then click on start menu, then search for troubleshooter. Now here troubleshoot setting, click on this. Below you can see here other troubleshooters, just click on this. Under most frequent you will find Windows update, just click on run. Guys, after completion of this process, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows update error, and the error code is 8024A112. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.